shaking, shaking, your dogs are shaking. Big cake, okay, with a piece of cake. Can I give you a cake?
KKK.
KKK. Big and little below. Lollipop. How about big and new and my Big and the big toes. New neck and the shit nose. Big old yellow below. I should go, oh yeah, oh. Big Peter, big fish and bird, dog, pee. Big Peter, big like fish and pig. Big oil, big desert. Big restaurant, fish and so hot, S. Big Peter, fish and so township, But you visit again about an hour too. Big people with walk in the mountain. Big every when you wash up, what's the baby? Big S, X-ray, one more, X. Big bottle, why you big one? Oh yeah, go on.
And the last letter is,
Z.
what does it say?
C.
Very good. Did Emily like that?
I'll do that, Mommy.
Well,
Please.
Emily. Emily, can we get a smile? Can you smile for us?
Get it?
There you go. Take your fingers out of your mouth.
Get a picture out of them.
Can you smile for us? Emily Catherine. Hey there. Yeah. Oh, you're so full of smiles. Hi.
Get it for them.
Hi. Emily. Oh, yes, is that so? Who's that big girl? Who's that big girl?
Emily.
Who is it?
Abby.
Emily. Emily. Who's that big girl?
I want to do it,
Get
Mommy.
her to smile now.
Smile for Mommy, Emily.
Oh, good job. Here she goes.
Nice.
Emily's 3 months old.
Nice.
You want to look at her? You see her?
I want to take a picture and
You're taking a picture. Emily, can you smile for us? Hold on. Hold on. Can you smile for us? Come on. Where's that? There you go. Abby just took a picture. You smiling.
I want to do it by myself. I want to do it myself. I want to do it.